Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today topic is Google indexing issues and how to solve those issues. Today most of the bloggers are facing this problem, like currently not indexed problem, discovered but currently not indexed, crawled but currently not indexed problem. These are the common indexing issues recently faced by most of the bloggers. Let's see how to solve this problem today in this today topic. That is a today topic. Okay, stay tuned and watch what I am doing here. This is one of the sample test blog I have created for this tutorial. Here to get the coverage issues. Yeah, this is the problem you will get. Most of the users getting discovered currently not indexed. This means the Google crawler, the Google bot discovered, that is found your URL, but they are not ready to index currently. They have made a queue. They have made a list of queues, and you are in the queue. Maybe it will index in the next month or 1 or 2 months. After 1 or 2 months, or it will not. It will never get indexed. It depends on your content. Okay, let's see how to solve this. Just open the sitemap and just click on the sitemap and just remove the sitemap. Already you have submitted. Submit the sitemap again. Okay, now I have suggest you another sitemap which will also work good, that will help you to get fast index. Adam.xml. I will give you this sitemap XML link in the description. Okay, after submitting these two, just in the URL inspection, just submit the content, URL of the content again. Just paste the URL, and once you give submit the URL, give the test live URL. Wait for a few seconds to test it. The URL is eligible for index on Google or not. This is one of the methods that if you get any errors in your URL, it will show you here. Let's see. Yeah, it is available in Google. URL can be indexed. Page is mobile friendly. Okay. Just wait for 1 day or 1 or 2 days and repeat the same fetching method. Just fetch the URL again and again until it gets indexed for 1 or 2 days. Okay, then I will suggest. Actually, why Google is doing this, that you need to know. Then only you can understand the content is very important. If you are making contents like recreating any other person content, like common old type of recreating contents, the Google will not index you in the recent days. Google is very strict now. The database of Google is need to be unique and more latest news. The Google is expecting good and unique contents, so try to give a unique content which is not already in the internet. Like how can I say? Don't repeat the same content which already available in the internet. Just try to create a unique and not available in the internet content, and that type of content will get indexed within 1 or 2 days. If you are creating or recreating already existing contents in the internet, then Google will make you in the queue That is the reason why nowadays bloggers are getting this discovered but currently not indexed for issues, because Google is giving Google database is very big and getting larger than that is the reason they are limiting their access to the publishers. Okay, just try to create unique and not existed content and live updated contents on your website, then it will you will not get any issues like this. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. If you have any issues on this, please comment below. Thank you so much.